Namaskar, this is Dimple Chhotai here from Planet E, and I am also the author of Neo series for semester program by Periwinkle. I am to present to you the two beautiful packs of Neo semester series, Junior KG and Neo semester series for Senior KG. This pack today we are going to open and see what all it consists of and what is the package. This package consists of 4 books, 1 record sheet or developmental report card, and a packet of reusable flashcards. Along with that, the services provided are teacher resource material in terms of what you can use in the classrooms as e-lessons, audio-visual lessons. We have curriculum manual in terms of an mind map based syllabus which will be provided, and the teachers can make their flexible timetables as per their school schedule. And we have 2 virtual training programs throughout the year, one for semester 1 and the other one for semester 2. So let's have a look at the junior kindergarten program first. It has 4 books that I mentioned, and when we have 4 books, it's here in front of you. This is how the package looks. Let's go to the books first and see what is there in the books. The books have picture book and activity book, part 1. That is for semester 1. We have 2 books. Then we have the picture book for semester 2 and activity book for semester 2. This is basically for looking at pictures, doing some activities, learning concepts, and then the activity books comes in. Activity books take care of your experiential learning and understanding whether the child has gotten the concept and some practice, of course. So this is how we have developed the books. Junior kindergarten syllabus has A to Z, capital and small letters. In terms of letters, numbers we have up to 50, and you can see the integrated approach over here. We have number worksheet where we're doing the concept of counting number 10, finding out what's the value, little bit of tracing, and on the number line. Then we have the next page, which is the seasons page, as you can see here, and this is the concept as per the mind map program that we have created. Then we have a recap on mathematical begin small, followed by a letter G. So this, when we put into the mind maps, we will be helping out the teachers to develop their timetables. So as you can see, these also have QR codes on top. Wherever there's an audio visual lesson available for learning with this program, you will find a QR code on top of the sheet itself. So taking care of in letters, numbers, we have about 15 themes throughout the year, and we will be doing them through the mind map based syllabus. Along with this program, you will have a report card so that you can register your developmental assessment for children for semester 1, for semester 2, with basic comment that you can hand this over to your students, as in to your parents, of course. And this interesting card for students for recaps and revisions is the flashcard. These are the reusable flashcards. They come with a sketch pen and an eraser. So if you have to give tracing to a child, you are using this. You are asking a child trace a particular letter, and once they have finished, they can again, the teacher or the parent can erase it off, and you can reuse these flashcards. We have a set of beautiful flashcards covering almost all the themes throughout the year, so that you can take care of your children's revision needs. This is kind of a new way of making it interesting for children to revise. We have numbers, we have letters, we have phonics, we have all sorts of activities which a child can happily do and redo till the concept is understood and clear. See what we have to offer in the senior KG division or the senior KG class. In the senior KG class again, we have a pack of 4 books, reusable flashcards specifically designed for senior KG, with a sketch pen obviously and a eraser. We have a report card developed for Neo, and as I mentioned, we have the picture book, activity book for semester 1 and for semester 2. So we have a total of 4 books. In these books, you will find that the picture books or the activity books are correlated. When the teacher starts the concept, she will be working out in the picture book or the concept book, where she will be working with this page. She will explain the concept of what is one, few and many. You see one bird on the tree, you see few birds on the tree, and there are many birds on the tree. And that is how you will be starting the chapter, explaining them with experiential learning in the classroom with more teaching aids. And then you come to the book of the activity where you will be doing the same, where you understand whether the children have understood the concept that you have taught or not. And then I want you to focus on this vocabulary part where we are doing the blend words, the long sounds. All these are covered in an integrated fashion for us in the senior kindergarten. Yes, of course, the junior and senior kindergarten have the drawing, the activities in terms of fine motor skill developing activities, all well versed and integrated into the picture books and the activity books at relevant places. In the senior kindergarten, we have 3-letter words and a few 4-letter words along with sentence framings and with picture comprehensions. So we have a lot of these concepts that we have covered along with mathematical concepts of scale counting, a little bit on count before, after, between, number line is introduced in this class, as well as the theme concepts relevant to the senior kindergarten classrooms having covered. You can see the interesting picture books and the activity books for students, and of course there is a set of compliant and complementary to those lessons, a set of flashcards which are reusable in nature, where a child can choose the right kind of word. These are correlated to the vocabulary lesson where we are doing the blend sound. So you can ask children to write down what does it begin with. This is CL or CR when you have a child crying. So it's CR and a child can write it, and then a teacher can check or a parent can check and get it rubbed off for a reuse. These flashcards are a set of interestingly designed, integrated with our activities on mathematics, EVS and language. So if you have any questions on Neo or wish to know more about it, please look at the description. You can contact us directly or even write to us and email to us. You can also ask our Jeevandeep and Periwinkle sales team members to come and visit you or give you a demo of these materials. Do keep in touch with us, and thank you so much.